Hello friends, in this video I will show you use of shortcut CTRL+F in Microsoft Word. So this shortcut is useful to open find in Microsoft Word. So just press Ctrl+F. So we can see we have this find options. You can find anything in your document. You can find a heading, you can find pages, and you can find results. Like you want to find here word, for example. So just type here word. So it will find automatically all this word. So to open this find feature, press Ctrl+F. So thanks for watching.